Damn it, David.
Damn it, David, what?
Oh, fucking me. Fucking grab that. Cancer. Why is that so funny? Fucking Pickle Rick and fucking River. Goddamn cucumbers.
It's Pickle Rick! Hey, look at me. It's Pickle Rick. Hey!
My show got cancelled.
Please.
Jesus, go fucking in, dude.
Enemy forces have captured that zone.
Forget Fortnite, forget PUBG, it's all about Kirby Battle Royale. Jesus picks up the bread, this is my body. Jesus.
He'll get that T-64 in no time at this rate. I'm bored. I'm just gonna post some memes.
Jesus picks up bread, this is my body. Jesus picks up wine, this is my blood. Jesus picks up the guitar, this is ground control to Major Tom.
Jesus picks up bread, this is my body. Jesus
Wait,
picks
Jesus
up
is
wine.
made of bread?
Jesus
Pretty
picks up
much.
wine, this is my blood. Jesus picks up mayo, Judas smell.
Jesus picks up this penny, Judas no.
You're bad. Just bad is all. Don't make fun of the poor retards. They don't know no better.
Yo, Bosk is broken, and they still haven't patched him.
Enemy forces have captured a zone.
Ah, Palpatine! I either want Luke or Yoda, because they're gonna come in handy right now. We're getting our asses handed to us.
The only reason why Yoda is handy is because he has a small ass tiny hitbox.
He does. His hitbox is so fucking small. I can't hit him. The last time I hit him with one shot, that was out of like 5.
Masturbating man, Pompeii, 79 CE. Oh yeah, in Pompeii they were discovering like, you know, people in their last positions, and they found a man, like, you know, just fucking tugging one out before he died.